RF training, radio frequency training programs. Courses are powered by Tonex training. RF, it stands for radio frequency. Radio frequency waves, RF, are generated when an alternating current goes through a conductive material. Waves are specified by their frequency and length. Frequency is calculated in hertz, or cycles per second, and wavelength is calculated in meters, or centimeters. Why RF engineering is important. RF engineering is a highly specialized field that typically falls into different areas of expertise, such as design of coupling and transmission line structures to transport RF energy without radiation, application of circuit elements and transmission line structures in the design of oscillators, amplifiers, mixers, detectors, combiners, filters, impedance transforming networks and other devices. RF training course by Tonex. RF training courses are designed for people who work in the field of radio frequency communications as well as those who require a basic understanding of RF fundamentals. Why Tonex RF courses? Tonex courses are always much enjoyable and effective to learn the things you want. Tonex offers high-quality radio frequency training programs for government agencies, small businesses and Fortune 500 companies. Tonex RF courses are specifically designed by experts in the field. Tonex offers several RF engineering courses like Phased Array Antenna Training, Engineering Training Bootcamp, Applied RF Circuit Engineering Certificate, Cellular Networks Performance Workshop Training, DAS Training, Distributed Antenna System, RF Engineering, Optimization, Safety Training, Spectrum Management Training Course. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.